Were they good with an axe? Were they good with a saw? Could they log roll? Could they climb? So they'd set up these different events to test the skills of the lumberjack. And that's what we're going to simulate here today for you, is an obstacle relay. We're going to start with the cant hook. It's a lumberjack tool that they use to move logs and to roll logs along. So they're going to roll the log, place it in the bunk with the hook. Then they're going to come, start the chainsaw, balancing on the tree. They'll run to the end, cut off a clean disc, run down the tree, sprint across the pond, hopefully fall in and get wet, because that's always fun. Then they're going to grab the choker cable, run all the way back, and debunk the log. First one to complete that is the winner. We're going to run AJ against Cole on this one. We'll let these guys warm up their saws. All right, looks like these guys are ready to go. Who thinks AJ from Anchorage will win the obstacle bowl? And who wants Cole to win from Palmer? Lumberjacks ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice job, AJ Fletcher.